What is up, you guys, and welcome back again to Ungeek. My name is Colin, and today we have another special tech unboxing care of our friends from Huawei Philippines. Yes, folks, this is the new Huawei Nova 7. We've seen and reviewed a couple of Nova 7 iterations already, like the Nova 7i earlier this year, and quite recently, the Nova 7 SE, Huawei's first 5G mid-range device, and supposedly the first 5G mid-ranger on the local market. So what does a Huawei Nova 7 have to offer? Well, we'll find out soon enough. But before we do that, if you have not subscribed to the channel, please consider doing so, as we're bound to create more and more videos for you guys. Guys, your support means the world to us. And it's because of you that we're actually past our 10,000 subscriber mark. And we're on our way to getting that silver play button, hopefully, as we build up to 100,000 subscribers. So I'm going to be putting the subscribe button down below. Click that and then hit the notification bell so you know when we out a new video. And with that out of the way, let's go on with the unboxing. As with the past Nova series, the main Nova series variant holder, in this case the Nova 7, is where they pack the most number of features on it. We're talking about flagship-like processors, decent camera setups, good internals, and stunning design. Similar to the Nova 7 SE, we're getting a space silver colorway for the Nova 7 proper. There is a purple colorway, but we opted to see how similar or different the space silver rendition is with the Nova 7 compared to the 7 SE. And we're here to say that there definitely are visible differences. While the space gray on the Huawei Nova 7 SE already looked crazy amazing, it just looked hella elevated with the Nova 7 proper. The chrome finish just gives it a more luxurious feel. Take note, the back cover is super reflective, which gave us a harder time to take proper photos and videos of it. Also, is it just me, or is it somewhat reminiscent of Qui-Gon Jinn's spacecraft in Star Wars Episode 1? Remember that? Towards the side panels, the Huawei Nova 7 has these aluminum bezels that aren't as polished as the back cover. This somewhat helps the Huawei Nova 7 have better grip. Here, you'll also find the volume rocker and the power button. Unlike the Huawei Nova 7 SE, where the side power button acts as a fingerprint scanner, the Nova 7 has an in-display fingerprint security feature, something found in a lot of flagship devices. Towards the rear, you're greeted with the USB Type-C port, speaker grills, and a slot for your nano SIM cards. No 3.5mm jack here though. When you open up the Huawei Nova 7, you're greeted with a gorgeous 6.53-inch OLED display and a single punch hole camera notch. This opens up your screen more so you can enjoy various medias like watching YouTube, binging on Netflix, and playing your favorite mobile games. Now, we've heard that Huawei has made major improvements in the selfie camera segment, especially with this one. Able to take gorgeous bokehs, the Huawei Nova 7 has a 32-megapixel front-facing camera with an f2.0 wide aperture lens. The screen on the Huawei Nova 7 can also act as a ring flash, mimicking studio-grade lighting. If that's not enough, the Huawei Nova 7 has Super Night Selfie 3.0 feature that gives you better clarity even under low lighting conditions. And for those relentless Zoom calls or me time, the Huawei Nova 7 can take up to 4K video selfie with video beautification mode. For the rear cameras, the Nova 7 has a 64-megapixel main shooter, an 8-megapixel ultra-wide, an 8-megapixel telephoto, and a 2-megapixel macro lens. It was also the Nova series that made the macro lens a staple, utilizing them fully during the Nova 5T days, remember? This 64-megapixel AI quad camera setup can also do up to 20 times zoom. It's one of the innovations from the Huawei flagship line that got trickled down to its mid-ranger. And while sure, it's no 100 times zoom like the Huawei P40 Pro Plus, 20 times zoom isn't that bad. Now, all of this hardware, this gorgeous screen, this souped-up camera won't mean anything if your internals and your processor can't handle them, right? Luckily, the Huawei Nova 7 runs on the flagship Kirin 985 processor, allowing you to run most of the apps and programs with ease and delivers great power management as well. This 7nm chipset also has an integrated 5G modem within it. Yes folks, the Nova 7 is 5G ready. Adding to this is 8GB of RAM and 256GB of internal memory. And powering all of this is 4000 mAh hours of battery with 40 watts of supercharging capabilities. This should give you enough juice to last the entire day before you need to top up again. Now, as of this recording, we have no idea how much the Nova 7 is, but if we're going by Huawei's past releases, this should not be anything beyond the 30,000 peso mark. And for a phone that just about has everything that you need and a superbly stylish design as well, that's a real bargain right there. Now, to enjoy the Nova 7 more, you'd want to maximize the phone by exploring as much apps as it can run. For the naysayers that are claiming Huawei is difficult to use because there's no GMS, that's the reason why Huawei came up with the Petal Search app. Petal Search is an app that allows you to, well, search for your favorite apps across various app stores, including Huawei's own, the Huawei App Gallery. Their app store, mind you, is the third largest app store in the world, and they're continuing to add more of your favorite apps every single day. And that's it for this really quick unboxing and initial look at the Huawei Nova 7. If you like this video, do give us a thumbs up and share this video to your friends, to your family, and to whoever it is that you feel might benefit from watching this. Also, leave a comment down below. Is this a phone that you like? Is this a phone that excites you? What do you think of the Huawei Nova 7? And if you want to know more about the Huawei Nova 7, do check out Ungeek as we run more stories on this in the next coming days. And with that, my name is Colin, and if you've watched until this point, maraming salamat po. I'll see you guys on the next one. And guys, please keep safe, keep healthy, and above all else, keep on gaming.